Hey there digital friends and welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video we are going to talk about tempered glasses. So there are so many tempered glasses available online and local, and even if we see Flipkart there are so many tempered glasses available. So which one should we go for and which one is good? So see, if you see here, I purchased this tempered glass from Flipkart and there are so many smudges and fingerprints during daily usage. And also at the edges, if you see, the cuts are not so proper, and also there are so much dust that is accumulating in the corner. So do these tempered glasses really give protection for mobiles as they claim? So what should we do now, or what can we do now? So in this video I am going to talk about a tempered glass which is developed by doing a research of more than an year. Okay, don't think too much. So the tempered glass which I am talking about is the X Glass Plus from Gadget Shield. So to know more about this, let's start the video. So X series is a premium tempered glass which was launched by Gadget Shield by doing a research of more than a year. And also these glasses are tested thoroughly for durability, scratches and impact resistance. So there are two of these glasses which are nothing but Plus and Ultra. So Ultra X series glass is made with Corning glass and Plus series are made with the aluminate glass. So these are made in order to give the ultimate protection for your device. So you can buy these tempered glasses directly from the Gadget Shield website, or you can buy it from the link in the description below. So as you can see, if you enter the Gadget Shield website and click on X Glass tempered glass, as you can see these are available for so many devices. So if you want to know more about this tempered glass, like how many tests are done on this tempered glasses and what are the features that we will be getting with this tempered glass, you can check out this website from the link in the description below. So I will show you first how to apply these tempered glasses, and then I will show you how I felt using this tempered glass. So this is how you will be getting the tempered glass in a box, and inside you will be seeing these tempered glasses and a cleaning kit. So let's keep everything aside and let's see the tempered glass here. And as you can see, this tempered glass is very thin of about 0.33 millimeters. And as you can see, they also have a light border towards the tempered glass. So let's see what we will get inside this cleaning kit. So we will be getting two microfiber cloths, as you can see here, along with some stickers which you can use to remove the dust particles which are present after applying the tempered glass. Now let's keep everything aside and let's apply the tempered glass. So before that I have to remove my old tempered glass. The old tempered glass which I am using is from the Archer, which I purchased it from the Flipkart, and as you can see there are so much of dust accumulated near the corners of the tempered glass. So let's start cleaning the screen by using the wet microfiber cloth that we will be getting. So let's tear the cover, and then this is the wet microfiber cloth which is present inside. So let me show you that. So here it is. Let's unfold it, and now let's clean the screen. So do this slowly and make sure you cover the entire screen here. So I am speeding up this part, and make sure you cover the entire corners also. So after that, now take the second cloth here, and this is used to remove any kind of remaining dust particles on your screen. So use it also and cover the entire area. So I mean cleaning up the entire screen. So after cleaning, make sure that there are no kind of dust particles on your screen, and now let's apply the tempered glass. So now make sure you are aligning your tempered glass towards your screen properly. If you think this alignment is good, now slowly move towards the screen and tap on one of the corner, and then it will automatically start sticking to the screen. It just takes some seconds, and after that make sure that there are no kind of air bubble present inside, and if there are any kind of air bubbles present, so take the microfiber cloth and try to push away the air bubbles present inside. So as you can see, there are some air bubbles present inside, and trying to push them out of the screen. So that's it guys, this is how we apply tempered glass, which is the X Plus tempered glass from the Gadget Shield. So if you buy the X Glass Ultra, you will be also getting the installation kit. So initial impressions first. So as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is obviously working, and also what I immediately noticed is the smoothness of the screen guard. The smoothness is very good in this tempered glass, and also there will be no kind of resolution loss with this tempered glass. As you can see here, even if you try to take selfies after applying the screen guard, the pictures come out really good with this tempered glass, and there is no kind of resolution loss here. And also this tempered glass will be coming with the oleophobic coating. As you can see, I am sprinkling some water drops over here, and on the right side you can see that is the local tempered glass. On the left side it is the X Plus tempered glass, and as you can see how water is behaving on both of these tempered glass. So finally, overall I can say I really like this in terms of its smooth surface, anti-fingerprint coating, so that there will be no fingerprint and smudges, and also the clarity is really good. It's like I didn't apply a tempered glass and directly looking towards the screen. So finally, if you want to buy a good tempered glass, you can consider this X Glass series from Gadget Shield. So thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe.